Hello and welcome back. If you're new to iPad or you're helping someone else learn, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain the iPad home screen in a simple, easy-to-follow way with no technical jargon. Let's get started. To start with, we will run through the home screen. When you turn on your iPad and unlock it, the first thing you see is called the home screen. The home screen is where all of your apps live, such as Safari, Mail, Photos, and Settings. Think of it like the main menu of your iPad. We will have a look at the home screen today in more detail. Don't worry if you feel we are going a little too fast. You can pause, rewind, and go back to go over any part of the tutorial video whenever you want. Moving on to the app icons. Each square you see is called an app icon. To open an app, simply tap it once. As an example, I will open the blue App Store app. Just tap it gently to open the app. This will open your chosen app. If you ever open the wrong app, don't worry, I'll show you how to go back in just a moment. To practice this again, tap and open another app. Here, I'll tap the Apple TV app. Here, the app opens up on your screen. Now I'll show you how to move between home screen pages. If you swipe left or right with one finger, you can move between different home screen pages. This allows you to have more apps without everything being crowded on one screen. Take your time, there's no rush. Moving on to the dock. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of apps that stays there all the time. This is called the dock. The dock is useful for apps you use often, like Safari or Mail. We will now look at each app in the dock in more detail. Take your time. Remember, this video is for beginners. We're learning together. The first app in the dock is the Messages app, where you can send and receive text messages. This can be linked to your iPhone. Next to Messages is Safari. This is Apple's internet browser. Then we have Music. And next to Music is the Mail app. Here you can set up your emails to deliver directly to your iPad. We then have the Calendar, Photos, and Notes. This section here is your recently used apps. We will visit this in a future tutorial. Now, let's have a look at how we return back to the home screen. If your iPad doesn't have a home button, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. Don't worry if it doesn't work straight away. This is something everyone learns with practice. Beginner tip. One simple tip for beginners is to keep your most used apps on the first home screen page. This makes your iPad easier and less confusing to use. I hope you found running through the home screen useful. In the next video, I'll show you how to organize apps and folders so your iPad stays neat and easy to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.